Construction progress continues at the Environmental Restoration Disposal Facility. Washington Closure Hanford and its subcontractors continue to make great strides in expanding and upgrading the Environmental Restoration Disposal Facility, work made possible by funding from the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. Washington Closure recently began construction of a new waste container maintenance facility and an adjoining operations center. The new container maintenance facility will include a large container repair line, a maintenance shop, and a weld area. The operations center will help alleviate overcrowding of personnel and also accommodate new employees hired to handle increasing waste volumes. In addition, Washington Closure completed the removal of one of ERDF's 2 original leachate holding tanks and continues construction of a new, more efficient leachate holding tank. The new tank will have a capacity of 425,000 gallons, about 150,000 gallons more than one of the original tanks. Considerable progress also is being made on the construction of the liner and leachate collection systems for supercells 9 and 10. The installation of the liner's secondary high-density polyethylene and geocomposite layers in supercell 9 is complete, and 75% of the rock used for the gravel drainage layer has been placed. Liner installation in supercell 10 also is moving along at a brisk pace.